This case is a lymphoproliferative disorder affecting several lymph nodes of a patient that is 79 years old and who is in a critical condition. As you can see here, the tumor is extensively diffuse and pleomorphic. The cells show a brisk mitotic activity, as you may see here. Some of those mitoses are somehow atypical too, and they are scattered but really frequent cells of this morphology that you can see them here with this hub, this little blob that is an indentation to the nucleus that is usually named a hallmark cell or anaplastic cell, and is typical of the family of the anaplastic large cell lymphomas. In this case, we can see another stain. Perhaps it's not as contrasting as the other one, but it's useful to identify the anaplastic features that I have mentioned before. The lesion is CD20 negative, the tumor is CD20 negative. That helps us rule out B-cell origin. CD3 is dimly positive with several frankly positive reactive T cells at the periphery of these vaguely nodular proliferations. And CD5 is following the same path as CD3, is downregulated, dimly positive. CD10 is negative. The proliferative fraction measured by or estimated by Ki67 is very high. I would say that about 70 to 80%. BCL2 is also positive, mostly in the anaplastic component, which is aberrant. BCL6 is negative. MOM1 is curiously extensively positive, indicating an activated phenotype, but is non-specific. MYC is dimly positive, but I presume that is not really significant in this case. As you can see, it's mostly cytoplasmic, so it is not relevant, it's not informative actually, and I would say that is negative in this case. CD30 is positive and is more intense in the anaplastic components. The scanning WSI is not as good as we are used to, but you can tell clearly here that is CD30 positive, but the ALK is negative. So being an ALK negative neoplasm, it has to be signed out as an anaplastic large cell lymphoma, CD30 positive, ALK negative. This closes the case.
Anaplastic large cell lymphomas are mature T-cell NK cell neoplasms. By the WHO 5th edition there are 3 distinct entities. ALK rearrangements define the family, which a gene at the locus 2p23. The most common partner is NMP1, which codes for a fusion tyrosine kinase. ALK-positive neoplasm have a long-term survival of 80%. Breast implant-related ALCL are a different entity. ALK-negative ALCL are a heterogeneous group. Some of them are related to mutations at the locus 6p25 for DUSP22IRF4 or TP53 at the locus 3q28.